Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you some stuff today, some new things from Brave Steve nail polish, which is now going to be Base's Loaded Lacquer. If you're confused about that, I'll get into that too. But I am going to show you how to do this really cool fluid art marble. You don't even need any silicone spray if you don't want to. You can do it without it and just get a cool marble effect. First of all, I want to talk about, I'm sorry, the glass. I need to remember I've got glass table and it's really loud when you push or knock bottles against it. Hunt for October. This is so pretty. Look at the hollow. It is amazing. I suck at bottle shots, but I will do one. I don't know why I'm so bad at this. Because I don't like it and polish around the neck, I guess, is what is my issue there, but it is such a pretty color. I love this color for fall, well, for any time really, but it's so pretty. Okay, this is a charity box submission. So Tara, I think there's 10 makers. I'm going to put a list up here. I was hoping that by the time I film this, I would have like swatch pictures from the group for all of the polishes that are going to be up, but I don't. I do have a few. Every month they do a charity box, and it benefits a charity, of course, and $1 from every polish goes to this charity. I believe that before you had to buy the whole box, but now they've made it so you can pick and choose and only buy one or two, or all of them, however many polishes that you want. I have already swatched this and put up pictures in our group and the charity box group, so I'll put those pictures in here. Box is raising money for is the Fisher Foundation, and it is for Alzheimer's research. And my mother passed because of Alzheimer's, and so that's kind of a charity that's pretty dear to me. All the links will be below for the charity box for Tara's group and her polish. The box goes for sale September 10th, I believe, through the 16th. It is a pre-order. And I've already showed you these for the anniversary. These are no longer on pre-order, but as soon as the pre-orders are out, these will be going up on her regular site. You will be able to purchase them individually, but not as a like cheaper grouping. This month is September, and she has 50 Shades of Hay, and it's gorgeous. I'm gonna put my swatch pictures in here. That is available now. Okay, Team JJ was July's. It is also still available. Beautiful yellow holographic with flakies. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, see, this is why I don't like doing bottle shots. Then I get all drippy and wasting of the polish. Jeez. Ooh, maybe that's what I should do. Just put them all on a piece of paper towel. That's Penny back there. Exhausted. It's been exhausting for her today. And we have August is Release the Kimbrel. And I did a water marble with that one and Fab 5 Freddy, which is April's. Put that picture up here. Austin Riley is May's Rookie of the Month. She puts one out every single month. And Simba was June's. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Here, let's just drip some more on the table, why don't we? See, I don't know. I'm terrible at these bottle shots. I don't know what to do. This is a custom. This is my custom. When I went to Michigan, I stayed with Tara and we made me a custom, and this is my custom. Ooh, of course, it's called G Money, and this is going to be available when the group customs, and she is working on 3 group customs, and here are the inspiration photos that she chose from to make the polishes. So we don't know exactly what the polish is going to look like. She just drew off of these pictures. To come up with the colors for the polishes. But this is G Money. It is going to be available with those group if you want to buy a G Money. I don't make anything from this. I just, usually customs are not shared. No one else gets it. This makes it a custom. She doesn't, you know, mass produce them or sell them to anybody else but the person that ordered the custom. I wasn't going to show you, but I'm going to. Oh, look how pretty. It's this beautiful brown, coppery, bronze. I don't know. Oh, there's some more drippage. And it has red flakies. I told you, I'm terrible with the bottle shots in them. Oh, I got something there. Ooh, look at that. That's better anyway. You can really see it on there. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. She also has November 6th. She will be releasing some fall colors. It's like a remake of her very first launch of creams. And you guys know her creams are perfection. They water marble, they stamp, they're so pretty. Here they are. Okay, let's take a look at how I did this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'll stop. I swear one of these days I am gonna break this glass. All right, I wanted to show you these hollows. She has these hollow hints that she has. They are kind of a jelly base, and she told me she didn't think that they were water marble, but I'm going to try it real quick. These are all still available. Grape snow cone, blue raspberry slushy, cotton candy, chalupas, and churro. And I'm not sure. I think she came out with them last summer, maybe. I don't remember. I didn't buy them all because I just couldn't at the time. And then slowly but surely, I've purchased all of those. Okay, spoiler alert. Tara had told me that she didn't think that those would water marble because of the base. And I said, oh, don't question my water marbling abilities. She was right. Don't tell her. They don't marble. All right, so that they wouldn't water marble, I wanted to do some sort of a marble with all of them. So I decided to go ahead and try to do a fluid art. Now I used silicone spray, but it didn't really do that great with the silicone spray as far as making cells. I got a couple little patches to do it. But mostly it just looks cool without it anyway. So as you see, I'm just going to dump some polish on a mat. Different colors. You can do this on a little, the inside of a butter dish lid or anything plastic. Now the white polish is just going to make it some contrast, and that is usually what will make the cells in irregular when you're using creams. So I did spritz a little bit of liquid spray silicone on there, but like I said, you don't need that. or if you have some spotted top coat, whatever you like to use. And then I'm just going to take a stamper and kind of smush it. Now you can fold the mat in half and do it that way if you'd like, but that was so cool. I didn't want to mess it up. So I grabbed another stamper and did a little more smushing around. And I just thought it looked cool and it didn't need anything else. So I'm just going to let that dry. And once it's dry, I don't know, I left it overnight. And then you're going to take some nail protector. This is Wet n Wild nail protector. Any sort of base coat that doesn't dry quickly and that stays pliable. You do not want to use a quick dry. I've told you that a billion times. It's too crispy. So these will stretch. They are pliable. Now, to cut these out to fit my nails, I got a brilliant idea. I remembered I had this, and so I just put it on the glass and took my X-Acto knife and traced out these little pieces so I wouldn't have to trim so much on my nail once I stuck it to my nail. I actually did a really good job. I was quite proud of my brilliant idea. It did take a little bit longer than just trim it with scissors, I think, but it made it a lot easier to stretch it over my fingernail and get the right shape, because I have such an issue with decals wanting to like buckle on the tips when I'm applying it. And I take a little bit more of just a sticky base coat. You can also use the top coat that you used on your actual decal and put that on my nail so that the decal would stick, and again makes it a little more pliable so that it will stretch across your nail. You can hear my neighbor yelling for her dog. He's over here playing with Penny. Alright, well, I finished putting these on. I wanted to remind you about Tara's Black Pumpkin sale. She has a Black Pumpkin sale the weekend of Halloween, and it's a pre-order. Instead of doing Black Friday and ruining Thanksgiving and her having to mess with it then, instead of spending time with her family, she would rather do that. This is just a dotting tool, and I'm just going around to seal that around the edges with that a little bit before I hit it with some acetone, because it was a little thick, so just kind of pushing it down and rounding it out. Anyway, the Black Pumpkin sale is Halloween weekend, and for sure go join the group and join us in bingo, and you can get up to date on everything that's going on in there, and the new Netflix and Kill collection that she's going to be putting out for Black Pumpkin, and that's going to be so cool. I can't wait to see all that polish. I know one of them is called Murder Mama, because that was my daughter's idea for the name for one polish. So I don't know what else she has in mind. It's going to be a total surprise, and I can't wait. Okay, now how did I do that? How did I end up doing? I already had the thumb on. How did I cut this so that it ended up showing that after I did the others? I don't know. Anyway, you're just going to trim around the decals, trim off any excess, and then a little bit of acetone on a cleanup brush to seal those edges in, and then top coat, and bada boom, bada bang. You got this really cool fluid art, Manny. This just looks so cool, this marble. It was like water, but not. I just love it. I don't know why I don't do fluid art more often. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Look at this. I even did both hands, and on my right hand there you can see the cells that actually formed, but I don't know, I just kind of liked it without the cells on this. I did put a white background on it. So, all right, thanks for joining me. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, please put them below. And just go follow Basis Loaded Lacquer and the charity box. Check them out. All right, you guys. Bye. Is your friend here? Is it your friend? Where's your friend at? Where's your little friend Petey at? Where'd your friend go? There he is. There your friend. Hello, Petey. Penny, there's your friend Petey. Hello, Petey. Aw, he always gives her kisses. Oh, your ears back, you always catch good. Ready? Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am? Yeah, that's what I thought. She had her head up here. She knows better. Oh, not supposed to be sniffing around on the counter. You're not supposed to be sniffing the counter. I know, you smell your livers and gizzards, don't you? Yeah, you smell your treat.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.